Anthropic published a postmortem detailing all of the Claude Code quality issues that they'd been having between the months of March and April. It's quite specific, technical, and goes into detail on the mistakes they made and how they want to fix it. And the improvements they talk about wanting to make are actually really helpful for anyone to consider who's building software with AI. They talked about how they had 3 different regressions that stacked. The first was an issue with a reasoning effort that flipped from high to medium. There was a caching optimization that actually had a broken header flag that ended up wiping reasoning at every single turn. And then there was a system prompt verbosity edit that actually ended up hurting the performance of Opus by about 3%. All 3 of these changes passed multiple human reviews, CI checks, end-to-end testing, and automated verification. And Anthropic talks about how each report was honestly difficult to distinguish between just normal variation. And it's not just Anthropic. Software quality has never been as vulnerable as it is now because AI coding has made it much faster to produce code, but the actual verification and validation hasn't kept up at the same pace. So what are things that we can do to improve the quality of our products? Making sure to start treating prompt edits as actual real edits, if not already. Building a really solid user feedback path inside of the product, because for Anthropic, for example, it was actually real users who notified them of these issues in the first place, and making sure to keep your own evals. It's also important to try to dog food the version of the software that is as closely possible as the one that customers are actually going to receive. Closing this velocity verification gap is going to make a huge difference for teams that are successful in building great products.